Itinanghal na historian laureate ang isang Pilipina sa Edmonton, Alberta. Siya po ang kauna-unahang Pilipino na nabigyan ng ganitong titulo sa syudad. Kilalanin ng historian laureate at kung ano ang kanyang gagawin habang hawak ang titulong ito. Narito ang report. Sa bibihirang pagkakataon, isang Pinay ang itinanghal bilang historian laureate ng Edmonton. Sa katunayan, kauna-unahan ito sa kasaysayan ng syudad, isang prestihiyosong pagtatalaga kung saan pang-10 pa lamang ang Pilipina na si Ida Beltran Lucila.
It's really basically making history alive for people and, thinking outside of the box, not just limiting Edmonton history limited to archives and museums.
Noong 2019, nabigyan na rin si Lucila ng Edmonton Citation Award for Arts and Culture, habang noong 2021, isa siya sa mga ginawaran ng Top 25 Canadian Immigrant Award. Siya ang nasa likod ng ginagawang Filipino Community Cultural Map sa Edmonton, isang mapa na magdodokumento sa kasaysayan ng mga Pilipino sa syudad.
What I'm tracking at the moment are migration stories, cultural practices, community initiatives, community news and highlights, Philippine artifacts, and landmarks, syempre, yung where the Filipino community congregate, or what are the places in Edmonton that are valuable to them. And that already includes Philippine businesses, so that we can track the evolution of Filipino businesses in Edmonton.
Kulang na kulang daw kasi ang mga impormasyon tungkol sa kasaysayan ng mga Pilipino sa Canada. Kaya ito ang nais niyang tutukan. Lalo't siya ngayon ang historian laureate ng syudad sa susunod na 2 taon.
Let's say with Filipino celebrations, you will see the gaps. So talagang you will see the naka-congregate siya naka-focus siya sa downtown. And so you want to, the map will show why aren't there anything happening in other areas of the city. Maybe it's a lack of infrastructure, or, it informs a lot of people when you see the data.
Makikita na online ang ilang bahagi ng kanyang proyekto na may titulong Echoes of Identity, Tracking Filipino Cultural Landscape in Edmonton sa website ng Philippine Arts Council.
I want this to be like a community initiative talaga that, so I'm recruiting, or I'm convincing people to be what I call citizen historians, because in the end, the purpose really is for us, the community, to write our own story.
Malapit kay Lucila ang sining at kultura dahil sa Pilipinas pa lamang, malalim na ang kanyang paglahok sa arts and culture.
So in the Philippines, I was actually a professional ballet dancer. I was in Ballet Philippines. And so, of course, with that, I was involved with the National Commission for Culture and the Arts and the projects ng Cultural Center of the Philippines.
Isa daw ang kanyang natutunan mula nang dumating sa Canada noong 2005. Nasa ibang bansa man, hindi dapat kinakalimutan ang pinanggalingan. Bagkus dapat pa itong ipakilala at ipagmalaki sa ibang lahi.
There are a lot of stereotypes about the Filipino community, no? And I want to break those. I want to show people that it's really just representing as well.
Bilang historian laureate ng syudad, kinakatawan din ngayon ni Lucila ang Edmonton Heritage Council at Edmonton City Archives, at isang malaking karangalan na isang Pilipina ang tumatayong mukha ng sining at kultura sa bahaging ito ng Canada.